these 3 packages arrived from eBay in the last few days, so it's time to open them up and see what I've won. Tell you what, let's start with this big one. Let's get rid of that. Well, it's some software. Oh wow, yes, it's me After Dark Flying Toaster Screensaver. Fantastic. Let's get rid of this bubble wrap. The box, because it was so well packaged, the box is in perfect condition. Ooh, not much inside, but then don't expect there would be. Ah, look, they've even wrapped the floppy disks in bubble wrap for me. Now that is what I call proper packaging. Not like some of the amateurs you get selling stuff on eBay. Wow, look at that. Disc 1, Disc 2, version 3. I didn't know there were 3 versions. And a whole instruction manual. Oh, and is that a warranty card? Registration card. Wow. Do you really need this many instructions on how to install a screensaver? Oh. Yeah, and it's all in English. It's not like the modern manuals where you get every single language under the sun. Okay, wow. I wonder what's in all these other packages. Let's do this one next. Not quite so well packaged, but not too bad. And this is Totally Twisted. Yes, another screensaver from After Dark. Toilet seats for PC and Mac. Look, let's have a proper butchers of this. Stick that over there. Okie dokie. What have we got in here? Wow. Oh, CD. CD looks fine. All the different things that are supposed to be on here. Look. Can't wait to try these out. For Windows, quick reference guide. That doesn't look very quick. Yeah, and it's all in English, so blimey, how many instructions do you need for screensaver? And there's the Mac version. Oh, and the registration card as well. Did anybody ever fill these things in? I don't think so. Wow, I wonder what can be in this one then. This one is sealed, and it's another screensaver, and it's the Dancing Baby screensaver. That's seen on TV, look. Combine video and audio to make your own custom screensavers. Choose from over 150 different scenes and dances. Wow. Requires Windows 95, a whole 16 megabytes of RAM, a mouse, optical drive, sound card, and a 16-bit display or better. Wow, I think that's going to stay sealed. I'm going to have to try and find another one that's opened, I think. I don't want to break the seal, it just feels wrong. Well anyway, that's what I got in the post this week. Thank you for watching. Please click on the like button if you've enjoyed the video or found it useful. And don't forget, if you don't want to miss any of my videos, click on subscribe. See you next time.